Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are in high spirit. Today I'll be making some rum and raisin ice cream, and here are my adorable nice looking ingredients that I will be using to whip up this amazing treat. Now I have some condensed milk, and of course we need raisin because it's rum and raisin ice cream, so you cannot do without the raisin. So of course, just to make it a little nicer, I'll be using some of the raisins that I've been soaking from last Christmas. So this is one I'm a little batch. So I'll be using half cup of the raisin that is that has been soaking in rum and wine, red label wine. And Vibes fam, this is optional. So yeah, of course, here I have 600 ml of whipping cream or double cream. I'm using double cream, but double cream, whipping cream, it's the same cream. So we're just gonna cream away. So say you want to make a smaller batch of the ice cream, you can buy a 300 ml of the whipping cream or double cream, because they have the 300 ml one, right? So you want to mix it until it is stiff. Now I would prefer for you not to, if you have to stop with your mixer, because I don't want you to over mix it, right? So here I'm stopping right here, so just as it firm a bit. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rum and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Now get you some good vanilla, because if your vanilla is not good, you're going to need more vanilla. And now I'm going in with my mixer again to combine all these ingredients, and I'm not going to mix it for long. By the way, I always use my mixer on, like for this part, on the number 1, like the first speed, so it's not that high. So for right here, just use the lowest speed possible. So here it is all done now, right? And now I'm going to add some condensed milk. Now this, I can't tell you what the amount, sorry, because I add it according to how I like my things, not too sweet. So here I'm adding half cup of regular raisin that has not been soaked, and then another half cup of the one that has been soaked, right? And yeah, just give that a stir with your spatula or spoon, whatever you can grab to mix it up. You just need to combine everything and get it nice and mixed up, right? And once you get it nice and mixed up, then you're gonna taste it, right? You want to taste it and make sure that it is it is to your liking, right? By the way, Vibes fam, please forgive my voice. I'm sounding much better, because trust me, I don't even have voice most of the time these days. So I decided to just make this video. So yeah, go ahead and give it a mix, combine everything together, and then taste it and see what it lacks, right? Ooh, that looks so creamy and so delicious. Mine needed another tablespoon of rum and a little more condensed milk, so I added in total 3 tablespoons rum. And as I said, for the condensed milk, I cannot say, because we all like things differently, right? Because I know some people maybe like them ice cream really sweet. That's not me. And maybe even some people like it fresher than me, right? And by the way, Vibes yeah, that is it. Mix it up, and then that's us. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my little tin, my little bread tin, and then try to get everything in there. Oh my goodness. Yes, so you can put it in a plastic container or anything that you have, really. It doesn't matter, right? But of course, it being in something that is, metal, it make it look better, right? But it really doesn't matter, to be honest. The only upside is that maybe you would have a cover for it, but for this, By the way, make sure you get all of your ice cream out. VYBZ FAM, you cannot afford. When I tell you, you can't afford for lose. You can't afford for lose none of this, good stuff, real good stuff, real good thing. So yes, go ahead, and then you kind of want to smooth it. Not to smooth it out. You can do that if you want to, but it's not really gonna stay smooth, right? But you get down the side, get down all the sides, and then once you do that now, then you use some cling film, or you can still use parchment paper. Now I like the cling film better because what you need to do is you're going to try to get it down into the pan, right? You want it to be touching the ice cream because you really want to seal this thing. You want to seal it. You want to seal it real nice, real nice. You want it to be totally sealable. So go ahead and push it down. It kind of take a little bit of time, just a little bit. Not to put you out of your way, but because it will shove down one side and you think, say, yeah, I'm done, me this now, ready to go. When you look, you see another little part push up, right? So yeah, just take your time and try to get it all done. Now watch there, see, I think I'm done. No, shove down more shovings for go on. So yes, just do that, and then that's gonna be us, and put it in the freezer for 6 hours, the least 6 hours. So that is it. And VYBZ FAM, I just wanted to show you guys my condensed milk. Look at the amount, show you how much I use, right? It's not, I didn't even use half of the can. So VYBZ FAM, here we are. This is it out of the freezer after 6 hours. No, sorry, this was the next day actually. Yes, this was the next day. And VYBZ FAM, I went ahead and I went and do something after I put it on the counter, so it was on there a little bit too long, hence the condensation around it with the water. But yes, go ahead and scoop a loop the ice cream. And VYBZ FAM, here we have it. Come here, my raisin, come here, my raisin. Come to raisin, come to rum. What ice cream lady? Not me. Why? VYBZ FAM, I love it. Listen to me. You see, when my husband tastes this, my husband was like, no, babe, you need to teach Tesco and them places. Because listen, we do not. Honestly, VYBZ FAM, I can't tell you I ever get a good ice cream. I haven't tasted a good rum raisin ice cream since I live in England. Not even close to what we used to in Jamaica. And this is it. But yeah, VYBZ FAM, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, please share and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. God bless you.